Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So I just received this package now. They just delivered it. So my husband ordered some skincare products for me from Amazon. So this is actually my first time of getting something from Amazon. So let's open it. Let's see what we got here. Okay, it's actually my first unboxing. Oh, hey, my first unboxing in the UK. Unboxing continues. Oh, anywhere I go. How are you guys feeling my UK winter coat now? How na the feeling? They give that princess vibes, Abby. Hey, see if you are seeing me for the first time and you want to learn how to import from China, come and learn. Oh. Okay, so I've been seeing a lot of reviews about this product, this CeraVe product on YouTube. And I was like, this time when my face don't yama yama, make I kukuma try the product now. So I now told my husband though. My husband now said, okay, no problem. So he now placed the order for me. See guys. So this one is blemish control cleanser. You know, my face right now is full of blemishes, so whether I go work I don't know. So this one is a hydrating acid serum, hydrating hyaluronic, I cannot go back to my mouth, serum. Then this one is a facial moisturizing lotion. It's facial moisturizing lotion. It's three, oh, supposed to be three, I mean four. Supposed to be four. Eye repair cream, this one is eye repair cream. Remember, I still have this on my eye, so I can't allow that eyelashes matter to give me everlasting scar. No. So I got all these four products from Amazon, CeraVe. I've seen a lot of videos. People keep, dropping videos about it. Oh, a lot of reviews, good reviews about the product. Oh, the product is good. The product is that. I say, okay, oh, me, I don't buy my own now. Make it sure work for me. Oh. So, guys, maybe next time, I don't know, maybe in the next 1 month or 2 months, I'll be giving updates on the product, whether so that you guys will see whether changes go there, all this yama yama. Let me move closer so that people will see very well. See yama yama away from my face. Okay, oh, thank you, my husband, oh, for buying me all these products. Oh. So guys, thank you so much for watching today's video. If you are watching me right now and you have used this product before, please drop your review in the comment section. And guys, you guys, please be patient with me. Oh. I have a lot of content on China importation that I'm going to do later on. But for now, make I relax more and cook for my family, for my husband. My husband don't miss African food well. So this is the time to, like, do as wife small before I start content creation proper. Start all this my how to import from China, how to do this China importation 168 I beg make una have patience. Yeah, you can come to WhatsApp, Instagram, Facebook and ask me questions. So I'm ready to answer all your questions. But for now, you guys you need to have patience with me. I beg. I'll resume channel importation content pretty soon. Okay, thank you. See you in my next video. Bye bye. Make I start to the use them now, Abby. Put it here. Abeg walk oh, walk oh, walk oh.